Start. You are hitting, but your shuttle, you know, it is just going like that. Okay, now see how I will hit. Okay, ready? Throw the shuttle. Did you notice anything? No? Okay. You pick the shuttle. Ashwath. Come. Yes, fast, fast, fast. See your movement. Why you are going like that? Go like that. Come, 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 come. Fast, fast. Collect the shuttle. Yes. Fast movement. Movement fast. Go mid center. Come. Go to the center. Come. Yes. Come. Fast, fast. Go, 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 go. Come, come, come. Yes. Why you are keeping shuttle in hand? Give. Ah, yes. Come. Ah, very nice. Come again. Yes. Don't lift your leg while you are hitting. Come. Reach to the shuttle. Reach to the shuttle. Yes. Come. Ah, again you are doing the same mistake. Same mistake. Okay, I will show you the video. Come, come. Wait. Go, 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 go. You know, that's why I record video. Come, 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 come. Yes, now correct. Come. Yes, come, come, come. Yes, come, 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 come. Correct. Go, come. Come. Come here, come here. Listen one thing. Please try to come before 10 or 15 minutes, as I have told you last time also. Okay, because today also you came at, I think we have started at 11:10. This is waste of time. We are not getting that much time. Okay, because if we have 3 to 4 hours, you can waste 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I will not say, but you are getting only 1 hour. So this is very precious time. Please save it. Come before, because today I have skipped some things. Like I did not give you the basic stretching and all. Just we did some basic stretching only. Okay, so don't do that for yourself. We will get more time. So today it's already 11:40. So I had thought like I will teach you one more thing, but I don't think today we have time. So now I will give you some basic practices. Okay, and that thing I will tell you in another class, right? Okay. So now we will do some basic practices. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Okay. So 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. You 3. This side. You also go. You 3 this side. Okay. So see what you have to do. One person will be there, 2 person will be here. Okay, and I will keep rotating you all. What you have to do? You will do the same thing. You will hit and rotate. You will hit and come to the front court. You will touch the front and you will again go back. I will show you how. Okay, come. Karo, 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 karo. Hit, hit. Aage. Yes, go. Come. No, no, no. Outside. Go. Yes. Go again. See first. See here. Come, come. Keep doing, keep doing. Go from there. Ah. Keep doing, keep doing, keep doing. You don't have that much time, okay? Because shuttle is coming very fast. Did you understand? You go. Ashwath, you come out. Ashwath, come out. Ah, you do. You go, you go. See, wait. Actually, you are not able to do the movement from the back court to the front court, okay? Like your footwork movement is wrong. That's what I thought I will tell you today, but leave it. I will complete it in the next class, okay? No issue. You just do it today. We will complete it later. I will correct it, don't worry. Okay, you understood? You understood? Huh? You understood? You both will do the same thing now. Okay? Fast. Go front court. Go again. Yes. Again. Okay, no issue. It will happen. Keep doing. Go. Wait, you go there. I will. Come, come, come. 5 more, 5 more. Yes. Come, come, 5 more. Chalo, chalo. Okay, stop. Stop, stop. Come here, come here. Come, come. Come here, come here, come here. Bro, come here. No, no, don't drink water now. Stand. Stand, stand. Okay. Now everyone will do the rest, okay? Like this. Relax. Relax. Leg straight. Keep breathing. Long breathing. Like this. Inhale from your mouth, exhale from your nose. Okay. Stop. Okay, now okay? You know, in the starting on the first day what I have told you? I have told you, like, if I will give you practice, you will not be able to play for the 5 minutes. I have told? That happened today, okay? So no issue. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay, did you learn anything?
Yes.
Okay, you will learn a lot of things. Okay, now this is starting. So we are going from the very basics because it is very important to clear your basics. You know, he plays very good, he plays very good, he also plays good. Okay, you are also playing good, you both are also at the beginner level. But you know, playing is different thing, playing with good technique is different thing. Like if you play with the good technique now, it will take you only 6 to 1 year to learn good. Like you will reach at the another level. But if you are playing with the wrong technique for the long term, then still if you will keep playing for the more than 3 to 4 years, you will not learn. Okay, so that's why I am coming from the very basics thing. Once we will clear these things, then we will come to the intermediate level. Then I have advanced level practice also, where you will not be able to do that for the 2 minutes also. Okay, so okay.